This is the Foyle Remote Evidence Centre, a safe and secure place for witnesses to give their evidence in a separate location away from the court. Witnesses tell us that they can be frightened about coming to court in case they run into the defendant or their supporters. This is especially true for victims who have been harmed or intimidated by the defendant. The Remote Evidence Centre offers a solution to that. It's still an official court setting, but it's sited away from the court in an anonymous location and is a safe place to give your evidence, as it can only be accessed by witnesses who have been granted permission to use it. Your prosecutor or police officer can speak to you there in complete privacy, and you'll be looked after by experienced staff or volunteers from Victim Support NI's Witness Service. His Honour Judge Rafferty supports the use of special measures such as the Remote Evidence Centre.
Access to justice requires that everyone is capable of giving their best evidence in court. For that to happen, we have invested heavily over the past decades to produce a system where special measures is available for all witnesses in certain types of cases, and more importantly that those witnesses give their evidence in a supported and safe environment. That is where the Foyle Remote Evidence Centre is key to the operation of cases in this jurisdiction, and all of that is done to enable people to give their best evidence in court in a safe and supported environment where there are no concerns about them running into somebody who they don't want to run into on the way to give their evidence in court. And I fully support the use of the Remote Evidence Centre because it just enables people to give their best evidence without any untoward effect on the right to a fair trial.
Victim Support NI's Witness Service staff can show you around the Remote Evidence Centre facility ahead of the court date, so that you're familiar with the space and with what will happen on the day of the trial. The waiting rooms are comfortable and you can bring a friend or family member with you for support. There are private areas if you need quiet time or a place to speak to lawyers or police. We will stay in the room with you for support when you're giving evidence. We have places you can make a drink or snack, and there are private toilet facilities. If you'd like to find out more about the Foyle Remote Evidence Centre, please contact us at foyle@victimsupportni.org.uk.